Mike, see what you've done. I don't know who you are. I don't know where you are. But you may want to start changing your ways. Or changing your name.
Shut up, bitch, get into my motherfucking kitchen. Suck a bitch if she don't. Go ahead and wash some dishes. Up that nigga in the well like I'm tryna make some wishes. My 40 is bedazzled while my AK got them switches. When I see that nigga, I'ma shoot him in the dome. I'ma beat up niggas that have Down syndrome. I be planting bombs inside of the fucking foster homes. Bombing niggas like Trump did Syria with them drones. Money is what's being stacked. Walk up on a nigga while his niggas stab him in the back. Dressing up in all black, rolling up and smoking on the fucking Teletubbies pack. Knick-knack, patty whack, drag that nigga over then to Cash Street, that nigga sat. I be always laying back, working every day while them little niggas opt to slack. Bitches always being tagged. If she don't make my sandwich, then that bitch is gon' get smacked.